Today we in Bulgaria, number 4 on our list. We actually 40 kilometers away from Sofia at the plant size of 20,000 square meters or 215,000 square feet. It is the first entirely based in Europe LED packaging company. They manufacture various LED packages, LED modules, LED lamps, LED luminaries. They also offer turnkey LED solution in the different areas as the industrial, commercial, or street lighting, as well as OEM and ODM for the European companies. Today, they are fully vertically integrated manufacturer of LED packaging, LED modules, LED lamps, and LED luminaries. If you will go inside and you look on their robotics, you will be really shocked. High production, super cool. Stay with us, guys. Take a look what we have here for you.